Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through and here's a guide on how to open Robinhood spending account. So to get started with the easy workaround and the best method you can use to open your Robinhood spending account. So the first step is to open the Robinhood app, then sign in into your account and tap the spending tab at the bottom of the screen. So once you're done with that, then the next thing to do is to start a setup. So to set it up, tap the get started and follow the screen and follow the prompt to open a spending account. And when that is done, next thing to do is to verify your information. So provide your personal details and complete the identity verification as requested in the app. Then once you're done with that, you have to fund the account. So tap add money by linking a bank account, set up direct deposit or transferring from your brokerage balance. So the next thing to do is to activate your virtual card. So once approved, once your verification is approved, you can tap activate card to use your virtual Robinhood cash card instantly and request a physical card if you need one. So once that is done, your Robinhood spending account is now ready for deposit, purchases and ATM withdrawal. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.